Yo patrons, it's Johannes from NoisePod, and today I'm updating a plugin that I thought that I would never touch again, and I called it, I said that it's discontinued, it's abandonware, I'm not gonna update it, but you people keep on using it, and I get it. It's the fastest gain compensation plugin that's out there, so I get it. So I decided to do small adjustment to it so that it would work on Silicone Macs and fix a bug that I found as well. And I thought that, well, I will do this with under an hour or so. I didn't. It took way longer. Anyway, I changed a couple of stuff, and we're gonna load it up here. I'm gonna use it with black box because this plugin is horrible. It actually sounds cool, but it's not level compensated, loudness compensated, or it's not compensated in any way. And that makes it horrible. So if I'm going to try to use this, I'm going to play a little music here. Who creates a knob that's changed the level by that amount in a plugin? If I had two hands, if I could use my other hands to adjust the output at the same time as I adjust this, fine. That may be okay. But in a plugin, I just want to touch one thing and I want it to be automatically, the level should be automatically be compensated. That's just, yeah, I always get angry and upset when I think about this. Anyway, we fixed that by using Purr-Fect. So we're going to load that, and I'm going to show you how to do that with my script if you're in Reaper, because it's so damn fast to set it up. I already set it up, so I'm going to use this version of Purr-Fect, and the router, doesn't matter which router, all the routers will work. So save these settings. This means that these are the plugins that are going to be used when I use the script. In here, I can press commit, and that will load the router and Purr-Fect on this channel, and it will do all the routing for you. So it's just done. So I just hit commit, and that's it. So it inserted two plugins, the router and the Purr-Fect plugin. And we're gonna place Purr-Fect up here. And now when we do the same thing with the knob, the pentode knob in black box.
You said the love sentence make you eat forbidden down. With the absence of decision at the sunniest hour.
It's compensated. So, I'm running the demo. So we hear a little bit of the demo noise. And if you're running the demo, just click the demo sign and it will become the full version until you restart the project again. So you can try out the plugin without any noise or other things that's annoying. So, all right, what changed in this version? I changed the, when we're working with a too hot signal, so we're over 0 decibels full scale. Then there's a little red light that's behind the bypass button, and that's changed a little bit how it looks and how it reacts. I think it's better this way. It's more of a, yeah. It's a bit cooler, if you know. It's not as it used to strobe a lot, but now it's more cool. So let's see if we can trigger that.
You said the love sentence made you eat forbidden down.
So you can see that it's more, I think it's more usable this way. Yeah. it's not as stroby. It's more like it lights up red, and if you stop going over 0 decibel full scale, it slowly goes back. So it kind of, yeah, it stays a little bit longer, and that makes it easier to see if you actually are working on a too hot signal or not. And the other thing is that I recreated, or I rebuilt the engine that calculates the level difference between the process signal, and the original signal, the dry signal. So it's more accurate, and it's a bit faster, but also slower. It's not as jumpy as it used to be. So let's see how that looks. And what the numbers show you is the difference between the wet and the dry signal. So if the wet signal is hotter, then this number will show you that the signal is attenuated by this much, so that the levels match up. What you have to remember with Purr-Fect is that it's a peak matching algorithm, which means it's not a loudness compensation, it's a peak height compensation plugin. That's the method that is used so that it can be this fast. If you want perceived loudness, then you use Purr-LUFS, which works similarly and looks pretty much the same, but it will work with perceived loudness instead of just peak values. Yeah, I think those are the changes, and it will work on Silicone Macs as well. So that's it, and there's a demo version, and it will be available in the post for downloading, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye.